Okay. So, from where we stopped, I was trying to explain what happened. So, we've committed 4 files now. 4 files. Yeah, that's what we did. So, concerning README, I can as well come to down. I told the function of README. I can say commit change. For README case, I can come here and type whatever I want to type without no problem. So the question on ground, how can I work with README? When I was creating this file, I said README is needed. So I can click on this, okay, or click on my data up here. We're good. So if I want to share you my GitHub, a particular content or file or project which I commit on GitHub, can as well come to this path, copy this link, control copy, then send to whatever, or come to code, then come to this path, then copy this. Now, this and that are the same thing. Well, there's more to this whole whatever. There's more to this whatever because most times from VS Code directly, we can start committing our file using terminal. So that is another ballgame for now. Okay. So now, what if I don't want this file again on my GitHub? What if I don't want it? I'm coming for that. Then my README, I can just come here. This is README. README is for documentation. I'll check here. Then what is happening? To open. So I cannot type all what I want to type in detail. Let me show that I have a README. README file. Okay, I have some README. README. This job I did on Java. Oh, this ML README. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, I don't want this. I did something on Java. README. Use random forest README. Survey on data collection. README. Okay, good. I think, wow, I think I like this. Control A, copy. Control A, copy. So what's the next thing I want to do? I want to commit my README. I can come to this portion. I'll control paste. Now, mind you, if I want to do my README, I always go to a text file and type all my stuff. Now, look at it now. If I'm done committing this content and I give someone my link, before the person wants to open my project, you have to go to README to read what and what is happening. Wow. This guy used Python programming to do his job. He used a data set in CSV file. The possible library that he was using, he used Flask, he used Django, Jupyter Notebook. Okay. From this, I will know what is in the project. That's case number one. So I'm not going to commit this. I want to commit something, but I will just remove this. I'll remove this. Okay. I don't want to commit something that is not nice. Okay. I'll remove this. Data set in CSV is true. I did that. Then I use Python. I didn't use MongoDB. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm missing some people. Then I didn't use AWS. Yeah, for deployment. Now, mind you, GitHub is very important and very interesting. There's something called deployment. Deployment is, I want to use one very language, is the process of, let me make it professional. When you go into production, the reason why you're using a bank app is because the bank app launches in air. You are an end user. So the app is now in production. So for you to deploy, the process of launching it is called deployment. Now, GitHub can be used to deploy. AWS can be used to deploy. So when it comes to deployment, although I don't know, AWS is not that free, but GitHub is free. Most people build up a website and they will looking for how they can, what's it called? They will look for how they can launch it into the air, right? So, but with GitHub, it can fly without the limitation. But mind you, when I was trying to create an account, it was telling me that I want to have a payment version, a premium, or a freemium. The free is what I went for. There's always a premium of $4 per month, or whatever the case is. So in that case, you have a lot of features. So if you're trying to build a solution and do a complete, whatever, you don't need to be doing free. You have to do payment. That's my own school of thought. Okay. So I can just do a commit. Okay. So I don't need all this. This one I'm having here is for other data, not whatever the case is. So I actually want to commit something, but I don't want it to look as if I commit the wrong thing. Okay. Good. So license, I use pandas. Okay. And I use matplotlib, which is important. Okay, good. So now I have this here. Good. So what would I do now? I'll just stylishly come up. Let me just do like this. I will come up, commit changes. Boom. Okay. He's asking you, do you want to commit directly to the main branch or you want to create a new branch? No, to the main branch. Commit changes. I'm done. So at this junction, so this is my GitHub. This is a file I have on GitHub now. Housing pricing. So what I need to do now, I'll just copy this, control copy. I'll come to our WhatsApp. Then I will definitely come to our WhatsApp. Then I'll paste it here. Then boom. Then go back to where I'm coming from, which is the. Okay. So I don't think this is where I'm coming from. This is my old one. I'll go to my top. Okay, good. So what if I want to remove this thing? What if I want to remove it? Now, I want to remove something, but let me quick to design a new thing. I want to commit a new file. I'll just go to this. I'll go to new repository. I'll call it team R document. Okay, documents. Okay, then I want to readme. Okay, then I want it public. If I want it private, in short, plus or minus, your credentials, your CVs, your qualifications, whatever you have, PhD, everything, you can put it on GitHub. Your project, all the projects you have done, you can put it on GitHub. Because the link, once you put your GitHub link in your CV, they will just take the link, go online, they can access whatever they want to access and be okay. They will know you're professional enough. Okay, so at that junction, what will I do? Create a repository. You wait for it. Okay, wow. I've created a new document called Team R. I don't want it. I want it to go. What will I do? And from this, if I want to add file, I can add file. Let's assume I've added file. If I come to this part now, you see what's it called? If I come to this part, you see the things I've done. I have match Team R document. I have housing pricing. Are you good? So, and if you check, come in, let me go back to D. Okay. If I come to this place, this is what I'm having. So I want to remove this one. What will I do? To remove a file that you have committed on GitHub, first thing first, you go to settings. Once you go to settings, you come down to the extreme. Okay. Delete this repo. I want to remove this repo. Once you delete this repo, there is no going back. This is the final deletion. Do you understand? Okay. So all I do, I'll say delete this repo. To bring out these, I'll say I want to delete. But there's a problem. I read. So now, before you want to delete, I want you to type the same name so that you are super sure of deleting this file. So you're not going to hold them accountability that, I commit a particular document on my platform. I didn't see it again. GitHub have removed it. GitHub does not have that super right to delete. You are the master of your platform, so manage it. What will I do? I'll copy this like this, the same word, without not the same thing. I'll come here and I'll paste it. Now, can delete. Okay, that's gone. So if I do this, I have only pricing, house pricing. If I click here, if I click on home, I will have only this. I've deleted that in our document. Are you good with that? So we're having a workshop tomorrow, and we're talking about end-to-end projects. And the reason why we're talking about end-to-end projects is because we're discussing about both the back end and the front end. So if I'm not done with it, I will now commit whatever I've done into GitHub. At this junction, everybody now has known how documents can be committed on GitHub. So the last thing I will do after I'm done with the back end code, which is the machine learning, the front end code, which is building a solution, the front end, and then user interface, I'll now link them up. Then my solution will now be working perfectly. Then I want to go there and go and get the file. Now something is there. Now look at something. This thing I committed now. If I want it, I'll go to code, then download zip file. If I click on download zip file, it will download. It's downloaded here. Have you seen it? That's downloaded. Do you get it now? Let me go to my download. Let's see what's trended. Download. I can refresh. Have you seen it now? Have you seen it now? It's in zip file. Boom. Boom. Okay, that's a readme. Let's see what's trending. I think let's see what we're having. Oh, not this. I don't want this. I want mat up. Okay. Housing pricing. Okay, good. Okay, that's for readme. What about the files I uploaded? I uploaded some set of 3 files. Okay. Now let's see what's trending. Okay, that's the readme. I don't want readme. Click on this. This is what we're having. This is our housing pricing. Okay. I think the files I uploaded not there. I'll go to upload file, then a quick one. I'll just take the download, take this, take this, take this, and boom. So at that junction, let's see what's trending now. 2 files down. Okay, 3 files down. Okay, good. So what is the next thing I want to do? I need to go to commit changes. Okay. Yeah, good. Is there now. Will you read me and everything? I think I'm good. Now, 7 minutes ago, I have my readme. Then now. So if it's going to be 10 years, you see 10 years here. It's going to be 1 year, see your 1 year here. Then do the screen passing. So at this point, there's a whole lot of stuff we can do with GitHub. So even when we get to our main practicals, I'm going to show you some stuff because launching a solution by deployment, I'm going to do that also, so that an end user you can use the app in your computer without no experiencing, there's no data set on the likes. I would have connected everything, but the brain box will be GitHub, holding the both backend and front end, so that you want just to use the interface to predict or to do whatever that is needed. All right, everyone. I think that's it for
So I think we can now you can throw the floor for the questions. You can give them access to ask questions, give them access to, to unmute themselves and ask questions. So,
okay, yeah, I'm open to questions now, please.
So questions, please.
All right, good evening, everybody.
Good evening to you.
This is Omolola on the line. I couldn't start with the meeting because of the internet challenges and the lights that went off. So I don't really know how you got to the beginning. I met you when you were inserting emails and the rest. I don't know how we got to the site to create the GitHub. So that is, can you just go back and let us know in case there's somebody else like me that was not there at the beginning, to know how we get to the GitHub website.
Okay.
For us to create.
Victor, I think you can just brush up. Victor, can you just brush up?
Yeah, I will do that. Now, there's a quick one here. Plus or minus, there's a video to back it up, but that shouldn't be a problem. I'll just do a quick one right now. So first thing first, to get to GitHub, you go to your Google, then you type GitHub login. Once you do that, this first one, click. Okay. Ooh, I'm not logged out. That's why. So I want to log out now. I want to log out. Do you understand? I want to log out. So, so it should not be ringing me on. Logging out.
Sign out.
Okay. Sign out now. Okay. So, plus or minus. Let me start again. I'll go to my Google. I have this. Then I'll tell you GitHub.
Enlarge the screen.
I have no problem about that. Okay, GitHub login. So then the first one we picked. So at this junction, I have an account. So I'll log in my username and my password, or my emails and my password. But if you don't have, you go to create an account. Boom. When you create an account, it will tell you to insert your email. Insert your email, you do your continue. So there are processes, step by step. Now that process is, thank God we have a record, so you can throw that video. It's a quick something. Are we good? Hello? Hi, madam.
We are with you.
Yeah, I said I cannot use my email. I've already used my email. I've already used my email. Yeah, I said I've already used my email. Right now, at this point, okay, now, Mark, can you give me your email? Can I open an account for you? Hello?
Yes.
Madam Tutor for me. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on, you can continue.
Yes, sir.
Listen to.
Can I open an account for anybody? A quick one.
Yes, you can open for me. Salako.
Okay, what's your email?
Salako @gmail.com.
Salako
UUM. Yes. UUM.
Okay.
@gmail.com. @gmail.com.
@gmail.com. Okay.
Gmail.com.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. If I continue, hope you can receive an email now, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. I move next. Now, it's asking me for password. Okay. Mr. Salako, no problem. You can.
What you do? Hello.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
Hello.
You can also change the password better later. Are you good? You can change the password better later.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cool. Okay, sir. You know what? Let me do it. Salako. Let me do it. Salako UUM, Abi. So is spelling correct?
Yes, UUM. Yes, it's
Now,
correct.
please. Okay, good. Shall I come? UUM. I'll now say 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Okay.
Shall I come?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Very,
Okay.
very important.
Call
Please.
UUM 123.
Yeah. So I continue. So username, I'll say Salacom. Salacom UM, right? And
Yes.
next.
Yes.
So it's verifying. So there's something sent to your
To my mail.
verify. Not
Okay.
yet now. Not yet. Now look at this hand. The hand is facing northwest. So I want the plane
Yes.
to face northwest. Okay, we're
Okay.
good.
So
Submit. One is done. This hand is facing what's it called? Southeast. I want
southeast.
it to face southeast. We're good. This hand is facing slightly directly east.
South.
Let me just east.
Okay, east. Oh yeah,
Okay.
east.
Good. Okay. Give me a thumb up. We're good. So now, then continue. Okay. So it's telling me something. This Salacom, it said password cannot include
Password cannot
your login.
include your login.
Yeah. So which means, can I just use something else?
Yes, use something else.
Okay. Let me just use what can I use? I don't know.
What about hello? If you want to use
Hello, sir. Maybe
whatever you
maybe
use,
MathHub.
whatever you use, you need to communicate with me later, and I will send it to him.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you
Let me use.
have a thoughts on how to
Okay. Okay. Let me just use some. Let me
Okay,
just
thank
say
you, sir.
team. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Team. I don't know what I'm even typing, but team TRM Salacom. Yeah. 2024. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah. Username Salacom. Okay. Now you're going to check your email.
Okay.
They will send something. Wait, something is
Okay.
happening. Let's see what's trending. So it's
Okay.
facing here. Good. I need to submit this. It's facing here. I need to submit this. Then it's facing here. Okay. So
No?
this, I need to submit this. Good. 3 is done. So it's facing good.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Now it's facing there.
Correct.
Submit. Then it's facing there.
Yes, it's correct.
Then it's facing here.
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, good. We're good. So check your email.
Okay, I'm doing that.
I don't want to save this on my computer. Never.
Okay.
So check your
I will change it.
check your
Okay.
email.
I'm checking.
Check your email.
Yes, I've checked it. So let me give
What's
you the
the code?
number. 60
Say it. 60
65
65
74
74
23.
23. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Good. So stylishly, your account has been created. Are we good?
Thank you very much, sir.
So if I do it, Salako, PUM at gmail.com. Do you still remember the password we did?
No, I don't know.
Team.
Team. Is it Team Salako 2024?
Team Salah.
Team Salako 2024.
2024. Finally. Have you seen it?
Yes, I've seen it. But sir, the team, is it in small letter or capital letters?
Small letter. Small letter.
Small letter. Okay, thank you. I got it.
So, are you a
Thank
student?
you very much.
What should I click on it? Student or teacher or what?
No, I'm a teacher.
Teacher? Okay.
Yes.
How many? Can you put it just you? No problem.
Just only me.
No problem. It's your personal stuff. You can still change it. Okay.
Okay,
Why
sir.
do you want to start a new
Start
project?
a new project? Yes.
And what?
And connect with other developers. Oh, no. Contribute
Expand
to
your
open source projects.
Okay. Open source project.
Just two.
Okay, good. And continue.
Yes, thank you.
So at this junction, I think we're going
Now
to
less than 10 minutes for this to wrap up. Please wrap up your work.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So at this point now, we're good.
Yep.
So Mr.
Yes.
Salako has an account.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, cool.
So any other question, please?
No, sir.
If you come to this place, you see
Yes, sir.
Salako. Have you seen it
Yes,
now?
sir.
So the rest
Yes,
is
sir.
story. All right. Let me log out now. Then
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, let me log out.
Do you have another question from the group? Any other question from the group?
All right, sir. I don't think there's a question. If there's any question, you should put it on the group, then we'll do a follow-up. So tomorrow we're starting our workshop. Tomorrow is step on phase 1. We're talking about strictly back end.
Somebody is asking a question from the I asked him to ask the question openly here, but I don't maybe he just want to talk. He said, please, does the co-pilots only for paid accounts, or does it run?
No. It runs on anybody.
So you hear now, Mr. Agoma Oguchuku Kisley. So I think we can call it a day.
Okay.
And,
thank you, Dr. Timothy. I'm very grateful.
All right.
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome. From here, we can start our class tomorrow proper. So there's room for anybody who wants to join us again. This one is just to create awareness and also to let us know how we can open a GitHub account and how we can make use of it in some extent. Probably early next year, we're still going to do more about GitHub, all the functionalities. We're still going to introduce you to them, how you can keep your files, your CV in GitHub, how you can keep your work, the progress of your work in GitHub, how you can keep your document, your certificate in GitHub, how you can create a link for the GitHub for yourself, so that link can be inside your submissions to any other places that you want to submit your application to. So GitHub is useful for many things. So by early next year, we're going to create that for you again for underclass. So thank you very much on this note. I want to appreciate my executive director for Timar Programming Consults, in person of Kundu, Uche Victor. So your chairman is extending special greeting to you for tonight's class.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. And God bless you all.
Yes,
so
good
night. You can stop recording.